Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Thursday, August 25th, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we're looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures here, and we'll see that the futures are trading down $4.50 to $21.70.5 per contract. Futures are just a little bit lower on the session. This is not really that big a deal. We'll see where this market goes today. Yesterday we did get a little bit of a sell-off, but once again, the market did catch a little late-day surge, and that did bring the S&P back just a hair above the 20-day moving average. So we'll see what today brings. But in the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news, and that's where the money is going to be made. First stock we're going to take a look at today is going to be Dollar General, ticker symbol DG. And you're going to see this stock is getting roasted and toasted today. Stock closed at $91.79. It is trading at $83.61. I am going to have gap support levels posted up in the intraday stock chat room this morning at 9 a.m. So again, we will be looking to play Dollar General at some point today if it hits our gap level. We're also going to be looking at Dollar Tree. This is down in sympathy, I believe. Stock right now is trading at $88.25, closed at $94.93. So this is a pretty good sell-off as well. I'm going to try to have some gap levels for this one also. So we'll have gap levels for Dollar General. We'll have gap levels for Dollar Tree. And then we'll be looking at HPQ, which is Hewlett Packard. And what you're going to see is HP Inc. right here, trading sharply lower. The stock closed at $14.40. It is now trading at $13.55. So we're going to look at this one, and I think I have gap levels for this as well. But this is another pretty good sell-off, and we'll see how this market plays itself out. Now, if you take a look at these names, they've all been down, but we have one that is up, and that is Workday. Workday making a nice move higher. This stock sometimes, though, is a light volume equity, meaning it trades much less than 1 million shares, and very, very often it doesn't even trade 1 million a day. But if the stock gets to 90, that's still a big resistance level. If it gets above there, I have more levels later. But right now, 90, as you can see, is still a big, big resistance point for Workday today. Let's take a look here at JKS, which is Genco Solar. And what you're going to see here is this stock is trading a little bit lower, closed at $20.17. It's now trading at $19.10. So a pretty good little fall there. We'll see how this one plays out. You can see right now it has held the 1860 support level, but if it breaks through there, that could spell problems for the stock. So be a little bit careful with JKS. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat as well. Let's take a look at GES. GES is the ticker symbol. And you're going to see this retailer is trading up at $17.49, closed at $14.90. So that's a good pop. One level I'm looking at right now off the bat as a potential fade, if it gets there, would be $19.30 to $19.50. So if it gets around there, that's where I would be eyeing the stock for a potential fade short. So again, keep that on the radar today. Let's take a look at Tiffany. Tiffany is on my radar as well. Stock's having a great pop higher. I'm going to have gap levels for this as well. Stock closed yesterday at $68.87. Now trading at $72.65. So real good pop for Tiffany. Right off the bat, before I even give out gap levels, watch the $75.25 area. There's a lot of resistance there. Potential fade depending on the pattern. So again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see how we play that. But right at 75.25, 75 and a quarter, in that area, give or take a few pennies, should be very good resistance right off the bat. Let's take a look at MYL Labs. CEO is on CNBC talking about that this is a healthcare issue. So MYL yesterday really took down biotech pretty hard, having a controversy over a price increase on the EpiPens. Again, stock right now, which closed at $43.15 yesterday, is trading at $44.80. So MYL, due to it has a very oversold condition here into some support at 43, getting a little bit of a pop. If that 43 level, if they should say really, if $42 breaks, this stock can go a lot lower. This can go a lot lower. So I have levels worked out where it can go, and we will be buyers of MYL if we do get another sharp dip. So again, I have that worked out. And again, come on over. take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, get all the levels there. Let's take a look here at Signet Jeweler. SIG is a ticker symbol. This stock generally trades over 1 million shares a day, so it's a pretty legitimate sell-off here. Not a ton of volume in the pre-market, but stock closed at $95.50, trading at $86.50. Briefly traded below 82. Now I went back on the charts and I looked at this one, and it looks like the June low was $77. So that is still your support level. If it breaks there, that could spell big time trouble for Signet Jewelers. So we'll see how that plays out. Looking over at the gold market, gold is getting hit again today, trading down about $7. So this tells us gold right now is selling off ahead of the Janet Yellen speech tomorrow. It's going to be very, very interesting to see how this plays out, and we'll keep it on the radar. But gold getting hit again today, this morning. If you're taking a look at the GLD, you'll see that is trading around 125.90. I think that still has lower to go, possibly down to the 124 and a quarter, 124.40 level. So again, GLD getting hit right along with the gold futures. Let's take a look here at crude oil. Crude oil is down 17 cents. It looks like right now crude is trading at $46.60 a barrel. So crude got hit a little bit yesterday, trickling just a touch lower today. We'll see how that plays out when it's all said and done, and when this market opens, we'll see where it goes. This is a pretty turbulent market now. We're starting to get some volatility. That means we'll get more trade action. So again, if you want to come and trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, and you'll see what it's all about there. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.